All right, so we're back. Here it is, bad to the bone. Now the homeowners are here, but they have chose not to be on film. We run into those every once in a while. Great people. Love how it turned out. Just check them boxes out. You know, how many people do you know really wrap around that corner and it's all like this down here? It's just dead space. So we took the time, the effort, and the details to bring all this stuff to life. Just hits with that floor, drained spot on, sluted right across. So what you don't know is tomorrow, gorgeous shower door, 6-footers all the way across here. Just gonna make this what it is. And here are the masterminds behind this shower. Let me just tell you that right now. I'm gonna go and take a seat over here. And there's my other guy. There's my main squeeze. Come on in here, sweet pea. That's it. This is it. Love what you do. Live life. Till the next time, we'll see you later.